Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply outline border to shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the apply from outline border in shortcut key. Firstly, select your position. Now keyboard press from the Control Shift and that's okay. Now we have the click. That's okay. Then we show the apply outline border to shortcut key in Microsoft Excel. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.